Hi, I'm Luisa, your tour guide for this Candelaria tour. This is the travel itinerary in the Candelaria. The Candelaria is a place more important of Bogota city. The historic center of the city is located there. There are many handicraft stores, restaurants, bars, and museums. Its architecture is very colonial. The duration of the trip will last 3 days, 2 nights. Day 1 visit to Monserrate, night 1 visit to Chorro de Quevedo Square, day 2 visit to the Gold Museums. Night 2 is a free night. Day 3 walk through the neighborhood of the Candelaria, visit tourist sites, choose us the Plaza de Bolívar, Museo Botero, and the Casa de la Moneda. The means of transportations that we will use on the trip depends on each route. This possible bicycle, cable car, and van. Activities to do. Day one visit to the Monserrate. There we will make a tour of the church of Monserrate. You can see the whole city from this mountain. Take pictures at a typical food of Bogota. We will go up to the Hillby cable car and the descent will be walking. The van will pick us up at the hotel and bring us back. Night 1 visit to the Chorro de Quevedo Square around 7 p.m. We will visit a bar where they make the typical drink called chicha. You will learn how it is created and the story of this millenary drink. This tour will be offered. Day 2 visit to the Gold Museum around 11 a.m. We will go to the museum where we will make a tour around the museum. There you can see the cartridges and the history of them. You must follow the instructions of the gate in the museum, please. Night 2, free night. You can do the activity of the preference. There are many bars, restaurants, stores that you visit. On day 3, while through the neighborhood of the Candelaria, visit tourist sites of the Plaza de Bolívar, the Motero Museum, the Casa de la Moneda. This tour will be by bicycle and walk through the neighborhood of the Candelaria. You can learn about the architecture of the place, its stories. You can take pictures and buy handicraft of the places. This is a places to the visit in the Candelaria. The place to stay for this trip will be at the Cedron Hotel with Wi-Fi, restaurant, family rooms, bar, breakfast, etc. The typical foods in the Candelaria, you will find restaurants where they sell typical food of Bogotá, de ajiaco, de changua, de tamal santafereño, and de puchero. You will find bars and restaurants where they sell typical drinks of Bogotá, of course, chicha of colors, masato, agua de panela, santafereño chocolate, wines and beers. The cost of the tourist package is 33 US dollars. This bill does not include food and drinks. Thank you. Goodbye.